wiper blades, right? They always seem to be this notoriously difficult item for people to change, right? You go to a quick lube place or wherever and you see someone change them out like that. And you go to try to do it, all of a sudden it becomes a Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to teach you guys today how to change wiper blades out. This is specifically for a Honda, but the general idea will get you to where you want to be. All right, let's see if we can get in here. Here is your wiper blade, and I'm going to simply just slide it forward. And if you're going to see on this one here, pardon me while I hold the camera and do this, you're going to see a little tab right there. Now, what you want to do, I'm going to try with just one hand, you want to push this tab in or towards the arm, and this is the wiper arm. Be careful with these guys because a lot of you just like let your wiper slam against the windshield, or you'll pull on this and yank on this. If you do that and you trash this wiper arm or bend it, you're likely to get either a bad wipe on your glass, or you're going to get the all the way up and down on your wipers all the time. So be careful of your wiper arms. So we're going to take that tab, we're going to push it in, and we're going to slide the wiper down. That's it. That's as easy as it is, guys. You just take it and slide it down and push that tab in. When we go to reattach a new wiper blade, it's the same way. It's very simple. You're going to just pull the wiper kind of away from the arm, and you're going to see this hole here. Let me zoom the camera in a little bit. Okay, and that's where you're going to put this hook. So I'm going to slide it over top of the hook. You notice this piece is below. I'm going to slide it down over it. And then I'm just going to, remember, I had to pull down in order to take it off. So I push up till I hear a click. That's it. The wiper blade is installed. So it's really as simple as that. It's not that difficult. I know you get in there sometimes. Again, it's like Rubik's Cube. Can't figure it out. But if you take some time, you kind of look at it a little bit, you can figure it out. If you have any questions, let me know.